Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable email notifications for Pinterest permissions, ensuring you never miss an important update. Whether you want to stay informed about your account activity or keep track of your Pinterest interactions, turning on email notifications is a great way to stay connected. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you can manage your settings. Next, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how Pinterest communicates with you and what kind of alerts you receive. Scroll down within the Notifications menu until you find Permissions. This is where you can customize the types of notifications you want to receive based on your account permissions. Once you're in the Permissions section, you'll see a toggle for email. Simply switch this toggle on to enable email notifications. This means Pinterest will start sending you updates directly to your email inbox, keeping you in the loop about any important permission-related activities or changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled email notifications for Pinterest permissions. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your Pinterest experience, helping you stay informed and in control. Remember, keeping your notifications tailored to your preferences ensures you only get the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more connected Pinterest experience.